How to reset Xfinity TV remote, step by step. And you gotta put in mind that it is going to depend on what remote model you have. So we're gonna give you the step by step instruction on specific models and how it's going to happen in most models anyway. So first of all, for most Xfinity voice remotes, what you're gonna do is hold A and D together until the status light changes from red to green. Press 981 to factory reset the remote, and then pair it again by pointing it at the TV box and pressing the voice/microphone button. Then follow the on-screen setup. For something like an XR16 remote, you can go ahead and hold info, the info button like this one, and then the home button. It should be this button over here. So you press that together until the status light blinks. Press power, then last, then volume down in that order to reset it. Then you're gonna just go ahead and press the voice button and follow the on-screen instructions to pair it again. If you're not sure what remote you have, there is going to be a manual that comes with whatever remote you have. So it's best to look at the process there, and they will have a step-by-step instruction on how to reset your specific remote model. But that's pretty much some information if you want to reset your Xfinity TV remote. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.